Good morning guys! Today is Saturday, March 11. Alis tayo, punta tayo ng Adelaide kasi bukas, birthday ni Arlo. Inaayos ko lang yung luggage ni Holly. Pero naano ko na to kahapon, no? Diba? May pa, ano tayo dyan? May pa boobs. Wala namang boobs. So, kagabi ko pa to inayos. Chine-check ko lang. And kahapon, hindi ako nag-vlog. Nag-shopping tayo ng pangregalo kay Arlo. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang. Hindi kayo kasya. So, ipakita ko sa inyo yung binili nating pangregalo kay Arlo. Bumili na ako ng paper bag para hindi tayo magbalot-balot. So, ayan. Meron siyang pants. Ay, may tagpat to. Tanggalin na natin yung price. Ayan. Ang cute. Size 1 yung kinuha natin kasi makuha na si Arlo. Tapos, eto. May tag pa din. Yan. Ito yung ibibigay natin kay Arlo boy. And eto. So, eto yung, hindi siya set. So, kinuha ko lang para, kasi diba winter? Kasi diba winter na, pa-winter na dito. So, eto yung kinuha ko kay Arlo para meron siyang winter outfit na. Pero for sure, meron naman siya. So, ayan. Ayan. And, binilang ko rin siya ng sando. Ayan, sando. So, yan yung binigay natin kay, ito yung ibibigay natin kay Art. Tanggalin ko na, awag na. Para may hanger. Tapos, eto, kay sakto, nakita ko lang. Kay sakto before. Okay pa to guys. So, isabay ko na to dito. Malinis na to eh. Ayan. Ibigay ko to. Ayan. So, yan yung kay Arlo. So, wait. Can you put this one, Kuya, please? This one. Just put on that.
Put it in there?
Yes, put in on top of my other clothes. And that's it.
Zip it up.
So, yeah. Punta tayo ng Adelaide. Okay. Tapusin ko na to, guys. So, pala, guys. Meron pa pala akong binili kay Holly. Kay Holly, binilang ko siya here. Binilang ko siyang sando. And new socks. Hala. I think it's on the chair. Can you check? Here pala. Here. Ayan, binilang ko rin siyang medyas.
I want to pick one.
Okay. Medyas. And binilang ko rin si Holly ng, nakita kasi ako, ayan oh. Binilang ko rin siya ng isa pang set na ganito. Siguro dalhin namin to. Then si Kuya tsaka si Sak, binilang ko rin sila ng polo pero hindi nila isusuot. Tapos eto, bala sila kay Kuya or kay TJ. Okay. And sando. Ayan. Tapos bumili ako ng mga leggings kasi palamig na dito guys. So bumili ako ng leggings tatlo. So yan yung mga nabili ko. Okay guys. Alis na tayo. Ibalik ko lang to sa plastic and isara yung luggage ni Holly.
Now he's at Kooyonga. Have a look at that. He's at Kooyonga on Saturday taking the juniors.
Oh yeah, I know what I'm doing.
That's right.
Why?
Because we've got Sponsors Day. Start going back over there, mate. So we can get going.
Filming.
That's just blue class.
I might not be your usual type, but I'm the guy who will make you feel high. You wanna try my Midas touch? Come on, line up for another round. Girl, you know. So take a breath. Gonna be a night. You will never forget on the show. Some more of that. Once we start, there's no stopping us. 'Cause right here and right now.
What lady?
Sorry yan. Guys, dito na pala kami sa kit. Hindi ako masyado nakakapag-vlog kasi sobrang lakas na
Sure, why not?
pa-music ni Kuya. Ni Jan. Sobrang lakas, yes. Okay, so kain kami si Sak. Kagigising lang. Si Holly tulog pa din. So, yeah.
Wraps, can I just have chicken?
Alright, okay. Kuha kami ng chicken. Ang tagal-tagal din. Okay, you're coming in.
Get outside and it's fresh.
Okay, let's go. Alright, you're not coming? You're not coming? Wait, don't. Wait, leave her alone. Leave her alone. She's sleeping. Okay. Naka-order na tayo, guys. Hindi sumama yung mga bata. Ang dami kong kinuhang tissue. Kasi, ilalagay ko yan sa car. Kay Kuya. Wrap? Yeah, teriyaki chicken.
It says chicken.
Yeah, teriyaki chicken. This is yours, Baba. This is Daddy. And this is my chicken. Hindi bargain box yung kinuha ko kasi ako lang naman. Huh? Yeah, I can have, you can have some. Okay, can come? You're so hungry. What did you say, Zach?
These are $8.
Yeah.
One in Renmark.
Renmark? Renmark or Adelaide?
Renmark.
Renmark, how much?
$4.80 for two.
For two. So this is more expensive. Tini. How about you, yeah? This is better. Okay, kain muna kami. Eh, nakita namin si Talana and Dustin. May wedding sila ang a-attendan. Hindi nila kasama yung mga bata. So, kain muna tayo. Careful with your clothes. Okay, kausap pa ni Johnny Boy yung kapatid niya tsaka yung brother-in-law. Kami kakain na kasi gutom na ang person.
What other, Mom?
Hmm?
You put a tip in there?
Ang kinuha ko ay eto, guys. Alams na yung favorite natin na puto-puto.
Hey, put some chicken there, please.
Okay. You're going now?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's wedding with
What time the wedding? Today or tomorrow?
3:30.
Today?
Yeah. So it's in slot. It's just over Victorian border, so we lose half an hour straight away.
Oh my god.
Property goes through South Australia.
Yeah, so you just get, when you get there, get ready.
Get dressed and straight into it.
Whose wedding? Is that your friend or
Yeah,
Talana?
yeah, she used to play netball.
With Talana?
And
Ah,
so season.
yeah.
Hope she doesn't smash it again.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
yeah.
That might end it. What's that?
Why don't?
you play pretend again?
Not too far away now.
Yeah, Mr. Tudas is.
I wouldn't have a clue what thing swaggy.
Hard pass?
On a path? No, I don't think. Don't know. Yeah, you better get going. You won't get there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going. We left an hour late.
Yeah, you do.
Because we lose half an hour. It's actually
Well done
property.
yesterday, mate.
Oh, no.
It goes through South Australia in Victoria, the border.
Yeah.
Property. He's got a fair bit of land. So it's literally like 2 minutes across the border, so we lose half an hour. Probably going to be there about.
I know. Is that curd or you just crunch it? Look
Because I
like.
can't do anything with it, so I just have to wash it and then.
Yeah, it's like really you throw it. It's nice.
Yeah,
So you
no,
put
just
something like mousse or something.
Yeah, just some gel.
Yeah, to crunch it.
And then I
Nice.
just spray it. Every morning I'll just spray it and then just crunch it again.
Ah.
Yeah.
Because Dustin can't straighten it. And I can, yeah, and it's easy to do like this. So
Yeah.
I'm like, I can't do anything. Can't do anything. You like sushi?
Yeah.
Yummy.
They always get chicken. They always get food.
Chicken's good here.
Yeah,
I love the
is good.
chicken here.
It's like GFC stuff.
It's so
But that-
better than KFC. Tasty.
That's always make good here.
Yeah.
So you're heading back home today or tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Okay, see you. Enjoy.
No worries.
Enjoy the wedding. Hi.
See ya.
I know. Is it Farhan? Where they going?
No. No.
Oh, Bob Narracourt.
Narracourt.
Oh, no. Oh, my God.
It's like turning wire, it's going right, isn't it? Where that ute turned off.
Oh, well, combo.
Who's that guy? That looked like Dustin. And he said, that looked like John. He turned around.
Okay guys, tapos na kayong kumain and naubos namin lahat. As in lahat. Yung chicken, tatlong chicken na yung mabuto, yung kinuha ko. And lahat sila nag-chicken. So natira talaga sa akin buto. Pag kumukuha kasi ako ng bargain box, hindi sila kumakain ng chicken, konti lang. Nung kumukuha na lang ako ng para sa akin, gusto na nila kumain. O, diba? So buto lang yung nakain natin guys. Hi Zach. Oh, look at that. Malapit na tayo guys sa Allendale and dito wala dating tubig. Yeah.
There used to be a house there somewhere.
No, but this never used to have water ever.
Yeah.
Look at the tree.
Oo.
Dad, look at the tree.
Parang sila ng flood. Oo nga no.
Can he swim in there, Dad?
No.
Well, the stovey poles are in the water. That's not normal.
That's right.
No way, man. Look, all the water's way up there.
Nashook siya. Nashook siya.
What's that still coming?
Daming tubig. Okay, malapit na tayo guys.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my.
Dito na kami guys sa Adelaide, pero punta muna kayo dito sa Rebel. Diyan yung mga bata. Pasok muna tayo dito bago tayo pumunta kila Race. Kasi doon kayo magstay sa kanila. Bilhan namin si Sak ng... Is it for Sak or TJ? Sak. Kasi diba, footy na naman. Yung binili sa kanila, ano na, masikip na.
This one?
Black? How about you? Yan si Sak. Sukat muna siya. What size is this one? 6?
Stand up. Stand up.
Stand up. Kuya, excuse me, Kuya.
The 6 is probably borderline. We've got a 6.5. No, they've got a 7 and we've got an adult. So those.
Ha? Yung isa guys, yung sa footy, yun na yung kukunin ni Sak. Eto naman para sa kanyang basketball. Kasi di ba nag-basketball na si Sak? Nice? You like it? You like it? Comfy?
You want any color in it?
Do you want color?
Nah.
No, you like black? You sure? You're happy. Okay.
I'm done.
Yeah. What kind? What's the brand?
LeBron, so Nike.
Wow, LeBron's. Basketball player talaga.
Big name shoes.
Yes. Wow, Saki. Nice.
Do you want to carry these?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Have a good day, guys.
You too. Sak, wow, LeBron shoes. Ah, may card din pala, kaya pala kayo nandito kasi yung card nila, oh, holy. Spend din nila dito. Pero etong shoe si Daddy ang magbabayad. May gusto silang bilhin siguro. Ball na naman to guys. What's that, Sak?
Put it back, put it back. What are you doing?
Why you that's for the what's that? I'm not sure. Build your own? I'm not sure.
Mom, it's a scooter.
It's not for the scooter. Oh, no. Ah, it's a ramp. Okay. Tingin kaya ako ng aking pang-workout. Wow, pang-workout. Feeling basketball player na talaga si Saki Boy. Si Kuya wala kaming bilhin kay Kuya kasi okay pa yung sapatos ni Kuya. So, ito nakadalawa siyang sapatos. Sak, look at your shoelace. How about you, Baba? Do you need... A what?
A bag or something, mate. Probably
Huh?
A drink bottle.
No, you got a lot of drink bottle, Baba. No, you got a lot of tumbler. No. Ang dami siyang tumblers eh. How about you, Kuya? What's that? No bugs, honey. No bugs. Meron si Kuya nakuha. Ako, eto. Pandagdag ko sa aking pang-workout. Meron tayong top, the crop top, and leggings na Adidas.
Mom, put that in the
Okay.
drink bottle.
This one, huh? What are you getting, Baba? What you got, Kuya? Ay, diyan niya gagastusin yung kanyang cart. Golf balls. Kumuha si Zach na basketball. Basketball ball. Yeah, basketball ball.
You guys got a membership with us?
Yeah.
Mobile number?
Sure.
Tapos na sila. Mayroon akong nakita, pahabol. Ayan, kasi 19.99 lang. Dati siyang 34.99. Kunin natin ito. Pinalitan yung bola kasi mayroong something sa loob nun na parang maingay. So, ayan. Tapos yung isa. Okay, we're good. Yung kinuha kong top. Okay, we're done here. Nagdagdag ako ng ng $30 dun sa basketball ni Zach. Kasi $60 yung ball. That's $60, huh? That's $60. So, I paid extra $34.
You said it was 34.
Yeah. But that one is different. So, mas mahal yung pinalit. Okay, let's go.
You go outside. No, you go outside.
Put more air. Okay. Lagyan ng daw, more air. Dito na kami nagtataguan sila. Biglang? Kuya nga, lapit agad. Madudukot namin. Wala. Kay Tito dyan siya. Sino hinahanap niya? Hi, da. Kaya nga. Wow, ang dami mo naman ditong pagkain, sis.
Sa bukas.
Ah, oo nga pala.
Ano ba? Bakit nandito? Buang lang ito?
Oo nga pala.
Ano nga lang yan? Chips.
Where's Dan the man?
Puti. Lalo ko hawin.
Oh, na si Kuya.
Go here next time.
Just, yeah.
You don't have to ask me. You'll get one.
Nahiya naman
Reach
siya.
the glass, yeah? That's okay. Yeah.
No.
You have to bring the cheese and the meat tomorrow, Johnny boy, so please don't forget.
Yep.
It's up here.
What time tayo pupunta, Day?
10:30 dapat
10:30?
Anong oras bang party?
Well, I need to leave at 10:30 because I need to pick up the cake.
Hindi ko sila na-vlog. Sobrang enjoy nila kanina sa labas. Nag-slide, nag-ride ng... Bike ba yun? Bike ba yun yung ano niya? Oo, yung maliit na... trike, ayan. Si Kuya Sak nakipaglaro pa. Si Kuya wala. Ando nakadikit kay daddy niya. Pinapatulog si Arlo. Ni Dan.
Monster na siya.
Oh, ayan na pala si Dan. Pero kapag greeting,
Kanina pa sila guys.
yes, hoy, nakakain ako ng honey crackers mo. Ang sarap. Yeah, sarap da. Ayan yun, gumawa siya ng dessert. Yan siya. Hi, Dan.
All dressed up. So I was going to go fishing this
Di
morning.
ko na vlog. Di ko nasabi sa inyo. Nasisak pala kahapon, may intersport. Yung iba-ibang school. Si Sok guys nanalo tapos na-break niya yung record. Yung 2000. Yeah, si Sok. Si Sok nga.
Very good job.
Sak!
Well done, Zach.
Zaki boy, insert ko na lang yung medal niya.
That's Ina.
Oo, na-break ni Sak yung record ng 2018. Yung running na 200 meters. How many seconds or how many seconds that? Aha, ayun. Na-break niya yung record, guys. 200 meters run. Tapos basta lahat ng sinalihan niya, siya nanalo. So, champion si Sak sa intersport. Pero yung school nila, talo in general. Pero si Sak yung sa lahat na individual, si Sak talaga. Here, no, just this one. Yeah, it's alright. Oh, meron kaming dadalhin bukas sa party ni Arlo. In order yun ni Danat. Ano yun?
Sa akin ka.
Sakay
ka ako. Sa aking car.
Ako sa'yo? Tapos?
Kasi ikaw maghawak ng cake.
Ay! Akala ko ako kami nun.
Hindi, sa asawa mo yan. Akin ka.
Okay. Sa kanya pala ako.
Bihan na kita
Oo. Hindi ko na. So, alis tayo 10 o'clock bukas?
10:30.
10:30. Sige. Labas yung mga bata. Punta sila doon kasi may nakitang basketball. Hindi naman basketball court. Ang tawag doon, basta yung pinagsushootan ng bola. Doon sa harapan. So, punta doon si Dan, sila, yung mga boys. Si Ayla tsaka si Holly nandyan lang sa living room. Tapos, ako, dito lang si Rice, nagbibihis na siya. Kiss? They're going outside. Okay, watch your head there, Okay. See ya. I-check ko yung dalawa. Hi. Are you a monster? Are you a monster, love? Let me see your face. Let me see. Wow! Ginaganyan niya din si Kuya sa kanina. Tapos binabalik din sa kanya ni Kuya sa. Tapos siyang tatakbo. Yung tinatakot niya, hindi natatakot. Siya yung natakot kasi tinakot din siya ni Kuya sa kanina. Where's Kuya Sak? Where's Kuya Sak? Mag-ice cream sila. Grabe yung takbo niya. Wait, Baba, wait. Mag-ice cream sila. Yeah. Ano yun, si Mr. Whippy?
No.
Sino?
He's the Italian version.
Italian version.
Mr. Luigi.
Mr. Luigi.
No, it's not.
Mr. Luigi. What's that one?
Oh, look it.
Banana kay Kuya. Let me try, yeah. Is it good?
But you want charge first?
Yum! Babe, can I have one? Banana. Nalobat tayo. Look at you, Zach. Let me see. Wow.
Mom, you're not having it.
Alright.
What?
Because I'm on diet.
What did?
It was on the bumper.
Yeah. So I'm not having that.
What do you want?
Banana, please. Diet, I know. Hindi niya ako pinapakain ng ganyan kasi diet. Pero magbabanana
This
ako.
is gonna fall.
Yeah, just lick it. This one, Zach, it's gonna fall. Your clothes. Eat it here, okay? Don't go inside. Tamang tambay sila, Oh, what? Binawasan ni Jan. Thank you. Good, no?
Tastes like mango.
Oh.
And
Vanilla banana.
Is that yours? Sarap.
Bro, the vanilla is so good. No.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
And Dan, you want one?
My number up, thanks.
That's all last night.
Thanks, Johnny, as well for that. Thank you, Sister John.
Come on here, Baba. Come here with Ate Holly.
There you go. Yeah, let's go. Get Danny, get now. Hold it.
Hold it, Baba. Yeah. Yummy? Yeah.
What you doing, little
Dito pala kami guys kung saan kayo magdi-dinner tonight. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong tawag dito sa hotel. Ha?
Wanna send them home, we'll stay there.
Tingnan mo si Arlo, lumapit agad kay Tito John. Si Ayla tulog sa car. Saglit lang tong drive pero nakatulog si Ayla. Sa akin ayaw yung lumapit. May lapstock siya. Hoy, banana ba to, Day? Banana? Hindi yan yung totoo. Totoo siya pero hindi siya yung banana ang kinakain na. Ito na naman si Miss Sayote? Sayote. Napiprito ba? Napiprito to. For sure nababalot dito ang ang isda.
So you're gonna carry him, John? Yeah, you carry him.
Yeah, you can carry him. Okay, ayan na si Ayla. Baba! Ay, she's still asleep.
Yeah.
Oh, antok. O, diba? Tig-isa sila, oh. The maid pala ang tawag dito sa pub. Hello, hi Ton! Nandito sila na. I know. How are you? Good. How are you?
Good.
How are you, Dad? Good. Dito na yung food ng mga bata. Lumabas yung boys.
Chicken na pang kids?
Wala ata. Beef schnitzel yung kay Holly. Oh, before, favorite niya ang tomatoes. Siguro nagsawa na siya. Ayaw niya nang kumain. Yung sa mga boys, wala pa yung kay kuya. Kay kuya na si Goring. Ayan. Eto kay Sak. Ano to? Pizza. Kay Sak. Hawaiian pizza. Good? Ayan, nakat ko na. Pero hindi niya pinaubos. Ipakat. Gutom na siguro siya. Good? Good, Baba? Order tayong chips kasi hindi tayo diet today. And si rice, sweet potato. Wala pa yung nasi goreng naming rice. Magra-rice ako today. Ando na kay Kuya. Nasi goreng kay Kuya.
The garlic balls are at the topping for one of these. I'm not sure.
Si Jan nag-steak. And one here. Yes. Tinawag niya kasi. One here. Gutom na kasi. Thank you. Ayan.
One with this girl, no.
Ano sa'yo, Day? Iba pa rin yung rice nila, Day. Iba siya? Iba. You like that? Iba sa ibang nasi goreng klase. Okay lang. Oo. Tapos na ako guys, hindi ko masyado nagustuhan kasi super siya. Hindi siya lasang nasi goreng para sa akin. So hindi natin naubos. Si Kuya hindi rin naubos kasi iba rin yung in-expect ni Kuya ang fried rice. Very kasi siya, yung basa tapos oily. Gustong gayahin ni Ayla, tinawag niyang mami niya. Gusto niyang gayahin si Ate Holly, oh. Tapos na kayo mag-dinner dito tayo guys sa magbo-bowling tayo. Happy birthday to me! Oh my God, thank you! Hala! May pizza! Nagda-diet ako! Thank you!
Lagay ko dyan yung juice mo.
Ay!
Try mo.
Sige. Thanks, Tony!
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Thank you. Wait, Baba. Wait, baby.
Yeah, they generally range.
Okay, get that one.
350.
One for Kuya and one for...
Right, thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Wait,
you.
have a look how much it is before you start.
Ano lang. Eto gusto mo to, sis. Sak, I want you to do this. That's the deal. That's the deal. Sak. 42 remaining. Okay. There you go. Oh yeah, go kuya. And later we'll try to, okay? Yeah. Oh, ayun po. Oh, hindi na siya madali, guys. Oh. Go kuya, hurry up. Go, keep going. Don't fast. Go. Go fast. Go, Baba. Go, Baba. Zach, excuse me. Zach, alis dyan, Zach. Go, Baba. Wow, Mario, natupad ang pangarap mo, sis. Which one you want, Baba? Okay. Go. Oh, under the water, Baba. What's that? Wow. 60? Is that 60 tickets? Dito na naman sila. Favorite nila to. Enjoy na enjoy si Ayla. Tingnan ang mukha.
Hindi na po ang pinag-loli. Lalagyan na sa loli.
Ang dami yan. 45 yun.
Ay, 53 tickets.
Did you get another 53? Oh. Nandito na sila ka. Neil and Veronica and si Elijah tulog. Ayan si Veronica. Sinano siya ni Ate Oli kasi si Ate Oli may card. Good job. Good job. Good job. Go girls. Go. Dami yung lolis na nakuha. Oh.
Let me see.
What the doctor said?
Nagpa-doctor ba siya?
Hindi. Sa dentist kasi.
Nakahanap ka, oh, di ba?
Oh, nahanap pa siya ng lolis.
Kumain ka ng ice cream doon.
Dito tayo. Magbo-bowling na tayo guys. Oh, kuha tayo ng bola muna bago tayo mag-hit.
Good job, ate.
Are we starting?
Ew! Chona starting!
Pleasure.
Yeah.
Pwede ba dati?
Ay, wait lang! I-touch ko!
Chona!
Kuya, that's it? Okay.
Okay na ba? Go! Go!
DJ! Wala pa!
Wala ka magtatamaan mo! Duminit, diba? Stop! Wow! Bakit? Ay, straight! Buti pa siya! Dito na pala kami guys sa bahay ni Reyes. Yung bowling, wala. Ako ang kulela. Sikat ang nanalo. Tapos sa boy, si Neil. So, ang kulelat din doon ay kung sa adult, si John. Tapos, si Kuya, kasi sila Kuya kasi nandun din sa group nila. Pero mga hundreds naman yung ano nila, yung score sa amin. Ano yung score pala? I think 30 or 40. Ikaw nasa 60. Ikaw nasa 60 ka eh. Sikat nasa 80 or 90 yata. Oh, yeah, 90. Sabi ko dun siya sa grupo ng boys. And, di ba, binila ko sila ng ano, yung card para maglaro sila. Ito yung mga Napanalunan nila. Akala ni Kuya Nintendo. Lowless lang po. Lowless lang. Ayan, kay Sak yun. Ito kay Kuya. Kay Holly na to. Kay Holly. Tapos si Sisi, nagbabalot siya doon ng wine glass for tomorrow. Ayan siya. Inom-inom. Si Dan, pinapatulog si Arlo. Ako nag-upload para may vlog tayo mamaya. Sabi na pala guys. So yun na yung vlog natin. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Good night, Sisi.
Good night.
See you tomorrow. Or bukas, birthday ni Arlo.
Cause